you have a flashlight. You see the floor is wet all the way through here. If you look way in the back, all the wires, there's some bare wires touching the floor that's wet. And I don't know where the burning smell's coming from. But I'm doing this for video proof, I should say, because my floor is wet, seriously, from here, all this is wet. All this up in the front is wet. Back here against the wall, that's all wet. Up in the front of the camper, there's ice. So something is not right. I called Keystone. Keystone wants nothing to do with it. And this has been ongoing for, what would you say, about a month now?
Oh yeah,
a month. And now the burning smell is really bad. And they're not concerned about it. I called my insurance company, let them know what was up with it being a brand new fifth wheel, and I'm just using this as video proof, so if anything does happen, I'm not responsible then, I guess.